Hello everybody, my name is Spaghetti Boy, and welcome to the Slay the Spire 2 Daily Challenge. Today is June 22nd. We are Regent with Section 5. We start off with Insanity. We're in a deck with 30 cards, Vintage, dropping relics instead of cards, and one of my least favorite modifiers, Turn. Whenever you enter a new room, you use one X each. Start each round. So, there's not a lot that you can do to combat your health. It's kind of just lose around 50 max HP. But with Insanity starting us off with a random deck of 30 cards, it means we could get the strongest deck we could ever need and just barrel through the game. And normal enemies dropping relics means we don't even have to waste our time with elites. Holy moly. Okay, so starting off, I like looking at all the cards that work together. So we have two bulwarks, incredibly nice, a furnace to keep our sovblade continuing to grow, a smith for easy smithing, and what was it? Hegemony allows us to easily play that as well, as well as new scores of battle. So definitely sovblade is a huge part of this deck. We also have supermassive charge, manifest authority, be gone. What else do we got here? Collision course that all create stuff. Unfortunately, we don't have a lot of Star Gen cards, and things like Kingly Kick, Monarch's Gaze, Solar Strike is nice for stars, so is Convergence. Crush Under is nice AoE, Foregon's always just pretty good. I think honestly the only things I'd really get rid of here are Knockout Blow and Kingly Kick. So that, and maybe Monarch's Gaze, so that leaves us really good. We do think I need a little more defense. Ground Invincible's nice, but can't always be counted on. This looks pretty good. We're starting off really strong and putting on Section 5. Authority Flash. I don't need any more. Let's go. Kills already. Let's do this, put 9 points full top. Free play. Actually, I played. Just didn't really help at all. Gigantification potion and miniature cannon. That is interesting. We can upgrade things, but oh, anything that gives us max HP is going to be needed. Incredibly good, especially because we have a huge play that. And fencing manual starting off with the sovblade. This is gonna be incredible. This kills one of you, but I don't think it's entirely needed. Just yet. Another crush window. makes our sovblade a lot nicer to play. Basically, just gotta mini parry. Yeah, so it helps with hegemony, gives bulwark an additional 4 block, which is fantastic. Yeah. We're going up against Phantom here, and we don't have any multi-hits, which is a bit scary. I think with our defense, we'll be okay. Let's see. So, I am cognizant. I am cognizant of the miniature cannon, giving us 3 additional damage, so that really helps with things like Crush Under, Astral Pulse. Other than that, we don't have a lot of multi-hits. Maybe Dying Star. Dying Star is a pretty nice upgrade. I think for now, though, the Bulwarks are very good upgrades. It's nearly 20 block. Let's see if we can make some. Charge the king figure. We can just. 60 damage solid. We're gonna do 66. Should be able to kill next turn, most likely. And Bellows! Bellows is actually fantastic, because if that play, I'm pretty sure that plays before Fencing Manual, and that makes our Sovblade 1 cost for the entire rest of the game. That's actually fantastic. I'm gonna take the Blast here, for specific. It'll be okay. Oh no, it doesn't! Oh, screw you, Bellows. Oh, that would've been so cool. Convergence authority. Dash in is useless card here. To our deck. Let's see what we got here. Know that I place Hidden Gem, Spectrum Shift, Complete. Do we want a Hidden Gem? I think, yeah. We don't have any strikes or anything in our deck. Also need this for weaken Balm, which we do not have any oak in the deck. Because, like, almost everything in our deck is good, there's nothing that this can play where I'm going to be like, oh, that sucks. You know what I mean? Exhaust. Upgraded rare power or upgraded rare attack. I do really like both of these potions, and they're both going to be incredibly useful against Phantom, but unfortunately we have to lose one. So I'm going to look to see what is going to be better for me. Like, a beat into shape works, 7 stars, meh, Comet, meh. Crash landing does help out a lot. Sovblade, Bombardment is kind of hard to play. Meanwhile, the powers. Powers give us a lot worse. I'll just then. Crash landing. That just makes our super massive crazy. Get anything else that's like whenever you create cards. That's gonna get. Very nice. Especially with sovblade. Make sure you know your place. Are they always like this? Definitely can afford to defend here. But hopefully what we can do is just build up the sovblade before we get rid of all the slipperies. And then make sure identification pop off. Bulwark. Crash landing. And super massive. Pop for that back. That was not stacks. Now we can start. Transform Dying Stars. Gonna play it. Massive. Hit gem. Ooh. Let's just get that super massive back for that. So, guards and beat into shape. These are all really helpful. Guards is again more card creation and a lot of defense. I think we're kind of okay on defense. I think beat into shape's almost just really fun. I love taking beat into shape. We don't have a lot of hits. It's like when we get that on Lunar Blast, it works. Like if you get a collision course. Make it so is probably the weakest. I don't know. It's just guards. Feels very hard to use here because so much of my deck is just, oh, I really like that card, oh, I don't want to lose that one, oh, I really like that. Guess I did have 2 monarchs, yes. I'll take the initiative. It's an easy card to just play. Clone. Just kidding. Well, I don't get a lot of card rewards, so sacrificing is gonna only land me like 2 relics max. Just get the easy blood draw. Go through here. We can choose which path. We're breezing through this. I'd like to get another HP. Wow. That's insane. I just killed me. this stone is awesome. Too. But you retain, right? Yeah, so we'll just keep you around. Actually, okay. That didn't do exactly it. Hey, this is a big shit. Authority, small attack. Come on, I guess. Tuning fork. Yeah, I like that fast. And we get a big heal. Very, very nice. Beautiful. I'm loving this. Eating remnant. Oof. That's a little rough. Oh, I could get like a bigger arsenal thing, but I think, yeah, anything to give us max HP. Bombardment we cannot play very easily. I'm just gonna... Actually, getting rid of doesn't help us. Another furnace. Strong card. Leave that. Let's see. Upgrade this card. Authority. We fully defend. There's a lot of attacks that come to play. No, didn't mean to do that. But still fully defend. Lasting candy. We get vintage. It means that more likely than not, we just get power elite fights. Kill all of you. Regal Pillow. Oh, Seeking Edge. Oh, you got it, Seeking Edge. Even more AoE. You don't need the doll, but I'm still gonna do. Ow! Parrying shield, very useful. This forging 7 additional times helps. You're also nice, but I rarely get played. massive can also get an upgrade. I will, yes, get alignments actually. That's very useful. As soon as we grow it, then it's up to lost. We got a very big deck, but you know, this is it for the rest of combat, which is nice, but it's just gonna be cosmic indifference to bring my sovblade back. I don't have a summon fourth, and my sovblade is kind of like my finisher. Very little start. Just so many abilities, and that's many of us put together. I would, fortunately. Useless, but convergence also helps. Pop that 7 plating. Damage. Anyways, no. Tanks. Are you killing elite for 4 random cards? That's kind of nice. But you can just elite hunt. Max I can take is 3. We get a pretty funny path here, so. Yeah, I don't mind. Let's run it. Oh. Actually, take the relic. Sure. Interesting. Skill. It just stacks our play. Oof. Yep, I can't afford to lose anything that I like. Exhausts. Do I have anything that exhausts? Enlightenment. No. It took 1 damage when I play it. I'm already losing a ton. Sparkling Root. Dex. Gain 16. We don't have anything to worry about. Thank you. Upgrade both my monarch keys. Thank you so much. I would like to get a cage. Just anything with green cards. And I do. Oh! Wow. I want to see that. Next turn. He's gonna use this one. There we go. Upgrade both irons with Royal Gamble. And very there's way more setup in the deck that really doesn't need it or want it. That's up to beat. Okay. puzzle comment upgraded from this. It's a test subject. We really don't need it, but I don't know. There it is. There you go, buddy. Might as well spend all my money here. Heal it to full. T-set. I don't know. This just upgrades my solar strike by 1 damage. I have no other use for money. Stars kinks. It's just giving us a bunch of, well, not a bunch of, but it's giving us some strength. Let's upgrade Super Massive. It does decent damage. Okey-doke. I'd like to start. Oh, furnacing 14 each time. Wow. Let's see. I thought Solar Strike would upgrade. Each turn. Oh no, I can't swim. Alright. What do we got? Know your place. Vision Force. Hey, I remember this roll. That's pretty good. With both. Still pretty crazy. Let's hit that. I think we just kill. Yep. That is the end of the test. You know what? We surprisingly did not get away. with that little maximum health, and with just an insane sovblade build, solving a little bit of creation as well. Managed to get through this without really breaking a sweat. Well, thank you all for watching today, and I'll see you all next time.